Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to move your Windows 11 taskbar. It is important to make it at the top of the screen. First of all, you need to go to the settings. At the setting, it is not available, but you can move the icon to the center or left. To move all the taskbar to the top, you need to do is to open the Windows plus R, run, then type here Regedit, Regedit, then simply click on OK. After that, it will tell you to allow this app to make changes to your device and click on yes. After that, this folder will open. Now you need to go to this folder. As you can see, I'll zoom this. After going here, you need to do is to double click settings in the right pane. In the binary editor, locate the 03 value, usually the 12th position. Change it to 01 for top position. Click OK and close the registry editor. Now restart the Explorer. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open the task manager. Find Windows Explorer, right click, then restart. Your taskbar will automatically move at the top of your Windows. And that's it. Now your Windows 11 taskbar is at the top. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.